Hallo meine Lieben!
Xin chào.
Today we are at the Ton San Yat Airport, the official airport of Ho Chi Minh City. And we are going to travel to the Philippines. Evie, when you think about the Philippines, what comes in your head?
Paradise. I can't wait to go to the island, make new friends, and explore the culture.
Perfect. Then let's hop on the airplane and in 2.5 hours we will be there. Now we're waiting on our airplane for the boarding, then 2.5 hours flight to Manila, and soon we will be in a different country, different island, and we will have a lot of fun there. Already on the landing way to Manila. If you ever do a Vietnam Airlines flight in the Airbus A321, take the row 28. You have a lot of place. After short night, we arrived finally at the hotel and now it's time to sleep. Good night. Good morning, Manila. We had a good but short sleep. Now we're in Manila City. We stay at the Red Planet Manila Bay. It's more a cheap hotel for $38, but it's really good. So you have here a comfortable bed. We sleep really good.
Like I'm Bango, cutting my hair. I just keep going though. 소식 건날 믿고 I fly non-stop. Kelly에서 New York 구름 위로 hop on. Drive out and riding birds. Honeyberry counting doves. I do what I wanna do. 그게 나의 문의원. 너넨 꿈꾸지 말만 많지. Just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Get to know me and I ain't that flow. got 잡은 눈이 분위기는 chill. Fendi snakes on my belt. Yeah, I'm feeling first class. Yo, don't cash flow. Ooh, pop it on my glass. Ooh, pop that pass. Ooh, smoke that gas. Cash play, blackjack. Monkeys on my pick. 100, 200, multiply. Dollar sounds my lullaby.
Now we arrived at the Rizal Park. Really nice park. So definitely when you're in Manila, go here and enjoy a walk.
One thing I know about the Rizal Park is one of the iconic destinations as the birthplace of Philippine nationalism.
Okay, so now we enjoy a walk here because it's really nice, a lot of plants.
Breezy.
Yes, breezy, shadow and good food. And then we go up in the air and fly over the park. So let's follow.
You just keep on wonder. Tatiana Alice, but 너의 memory. I just pop a bin. Danny have been. 나는 걸어 Boeing 747. 날개 we get ready. Like I wanna get late. 준비해 빨리. We ain't got a lot of time, man. Wavy night. Jameson hit the rock bottom. 잃어버린 정신 머리들. Yeah, I got 'em. Yeah, I shot 'em. 모든 problems. 언제까지 기다려야 할래 now gone. Yeah.
Now we made a short lunch stop at the Rizal Park. There's like a street food market, so we ordered some refreshing drinks, watermelon.
Melon.
Really nice. And for lunch we ordered a typically Philippine dish, pork sisig, roasted pork with rice. I will try and let you know. Bye-bye.
Cutting my hair. I just keep going though 소신껏 날 믿고 I fly non-stop 캘리에서 뉴욕 구름 위로 합번 Drive out and riding birds honeyberry counting gobs I do what I wanna do 그게 나의 문의원 너넨 꿈꾸지 말만 많지 just do it Like Nike just do it Get to know me and I 내 flow가 작은 눈이 분위기는 chill Fendi snakes on my barrel Yeah I'm feeling first class Yo 이런 cash flow Ooh pop it on my glass Ooh pop that pass Ooh smoke that gas Cash play blackjack Monkeys on my pick 100 200 multiply Dollar sounds my lullaby
Now we found two new friends in the Philippines. What are your names?
I'm Nico.
Nice to meet you.
Looking at food, 너의 눈 흐리 멍청했고 Find your comfort from another, yeah I go low like undercover, yeah Wanna know my name 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려
After that hot day, and we already took a long walk,
10 kilometer.
minimum 10 kilometers, we now deserve a nice beer, so we went to a really nice beer place. Motai Bayo!
One, two, three. Tagay!
Tree yonder down the mountain, yeah, blowing wine.
For sunset, we went to the beach today, Manila, next to Manila Bay. Really nice place, you can check it out. Enjoy the sunset.
Come here.
I will go and let my drone fly somewhere else later. And yeah, really nice here. We definitely deserve a good dinner, so we choose a place.
In the city center, in a shopping mall.
We're gonna try some nice Philippine dishes. The restaurant name is Manam. A lot of Philippine people are here, so the restaurant is crowded and packed, and all of the stuff is really friendly, so definitely will be good.
From empty stomach to empty plates.
One of the touristy spots definitely is the fort in Manila, and at the back the church. What's the name? I don't know either. We will see.
As you see in the background, we're again at the airport. We already finished our first station, Manila. Few words about Manila?
Manila was like an exciting city that you have to go at least once in your life.
Our next station will be Palawan Islands. Really, really interesting. We will make some nice drone shots and we will drive to all of the beaches. So if you liked that video, please leave us a like,
Subscribe.
activate the bell, and write something nice in our comments. We will see you soon in Palawan. Bye bye.